So Siri had asked me a very interesting question. So between the CSS selectors and the XPath selectors, which one is faster? So I heard that CSS selectors are faster. Is it true? So it's let's do a test instead of saying that which one is faster. So in my repo, I have created a new test. This test is a time compare test. So in this test, first we will sign in the web page, the Gmail page, and after we log in, we click the inbox. After that, we hard coded a 10 seconds wait. So we have no cache and fair start for both XPath and CSS. So after that, we will set the initial values of the XPath time and CSS selector time to 0, and the stopwatch be created a stopwatch. And before each test, so we have a loop to run the test for both XPath and CSS selector for 5 times. So we will try to find, after we click the inbox and waited, we will try to find the new emails. So you can see the XPath and the CSS selector will have the same effect to find the same elements. So after we find the elements, we will calculate the elapsed time, and then we will record it to the total XPath time or total CSS time. So it's a very simple logic. After we get the total time, we will calculate the average time by either CSS or XPath. Then we will print out the results. So let's run the test and see what will happen. Okay. So my browser started in this screen. Okay. Let's make it smaller. So you can see the console here. So now it's waiting for 10 seconds. Okay, so it finished. So average XPath time is 35 milliseconds and the CSS time is 19 milliseconds. So almost half of the XPath. Let's run it again. Okay, so now it is waiting. Okay, finished. So again, it's almost half of the XPath time. So you can do this test by downloading my code and run it in your local machine or whatever environment. And also you can modify the selectors to see if there's a difference between the selectors. So hope you enjoy it, and thank you for the interesting question, Siri.